In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Exness to TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside TradingView, how to find Exness in the broker list, and what to expect when the connection window appears. I'll also point out a key note about current availability, so you're not left guessing. First, log into your TradingView account and open any chart you want to work with. You can pick a familiar symbol to keep things simple while you set up. Once the chart loads, make sure it's in the standard layout so the trading tools appear where you expect. Now look toward the lower area of the chart for the trading panel. It sits at the bottom of the interface and, when clicked, expands into a drawer that shows supported brokers and trading platforms. This is the central place inside TradingView where you initiate broker connections and manage live or paper trading sessions. In the list that appears, scroll to find Exness. The broker tiles are usually displayed alphabetically, and you might see regional tags or brief descriptions under each name. If you don't immediately spot it, don't worry. You can also use the search field inside the trading panel. Just type Exness into the search box, and TradingView will filter the list for you. This is often faster and helps avoid missing it if it's not visible in the first few rows. When you see Exness, click it. TradingView will open a secure login window where you'll be prompted to enter your Exness credentials and authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Depending on what Exness supports at the time, you may be asked to choose a specific account such as a live or demo account before completing the authorization. Always confirm you're in the official TradingView panel and never share your credentials outside of this login flow. One important note. As of now, Exness is not available to connect directly to TradingView. You may see a message indicating it's unavailable or coming soon. That's okay. The steps you just learned are exactly what you'll use once Exness enables the TradingView integration in your region. If you don't see the option to sign in, it simply means the connection isn't live yet. Keep an eye on the TradingView broker list and Exness announcements for updates. That's all there is to it. Open a chart, launch the trading panel, search for Exness, and, when available, sign in through the secure window. When the integration goes live, you'll be ready to connect in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.